All right, the next type of video happens again at an intersection. It happens when cars coming opposite directions, like this, and one of the cars is turning left. So that happens like this. This car turns left in front of this car, which is going straight, and they smash in the middle of the intersection like this. This usually happens at a green light, where one car thinks that this car is going to stop, but it doesn't because they both have green lights, and it doesn't yield because it's turning left. Maybe he's used to having a green arrow and not paying attention, pulls in front like that, and gets into a car accident. I think this happens because this guy who's turning doesn't know what type of light this guy has, and so instead of assuming that he's going to go straight, he assumes he's going to turn left also, or stop, and it ends up as an accident like this. This happens quite a lot. I think I got 7 videos, 7 people describing this type of accident that happened to them. It happens at an intersection. It's usually at a light, sometimes it's at a stop sign type of intersection, and this is accident type 12. If you've had this kind of accident, please describe it in the comments below the video. Thanks.
Basically I was making a left,
Okay.
and then someone rolled through, right? So I was making a left, and somebody rolled through, ran a stop sign, and clipped me right here. Took my.
Thank you.
It's this dude, right? Alright, so
Is this you?
yeah, this is me.
Okay.
And then I was just going, and then
So
he didn't stop.
He had a green light also, but he turned into you. I got you. All right, that's perfect.
Yep.
Green light.
Okay.
He was turning left into there, and I'm going straight through, and he went
Oh God, high speed then, huh?
40 miles an hour.
Oh Christ.
Destroyed both cars.
Were you okay?
Yep. The airbags all went off.
Nice. Was he injured? Was it a big
No,
deal?
my son was in the car. The airbags went off on his nose.
How old was he?
Time 21.
So did he break his nose?
No, just made it bloody.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Awesome. That's so nice. Thank you. What's your name?
Len.
Thank you, Len. Perfect.
So I will be this red car.
Okay.
I'm here making a left-hand turn.
Yep.
And this car
My best friends
runs
are twins.
a red light and hits me here.
We're best friends
and
too.
makes me
That's awesome.
Spin out of control.
Ah.
So we end up like that.
Damn.
Yeah.
Totaled.
I broke my right femur.
No kidding.
Yeah.
That was a
accident.
bad accident,
Yeah.
too.
Pretty bad.
Wow. What were you driving?
Just a Honda Accord, and he was in some Mazda or something. But it ran a red light and hit me.
So not heavy
Spun
cars,
around.
but like going fast.
Sure. Yeah.
What kind of study do you have?
Person driving, turning to the left. Okay,
This guy is, or you are?
I am.
Okay.
This person just happened to just cross by.
Yeah.
I had the green light. He had the green lights also. But there's a turn right here.
Oh, okay.
So since there's a turn, the guy didn't see me while I was going like this, and all it was doing was like that.
Ah, I
Yeah.
gotcha.
This
you guys-
whole part of the engine went inside.
Are you dying?
No, I had internal bleeding, that's for sure. But so I was about a month in the hospital. So this car was a truck. It was an F-150. Mine was a 8800 Accord. Tiny little thing, you know what I'm saying? So that's why the whole engine went in. They thought I was racing. I was like, how am I racing?
Yeah.
I was racing because there's a light right here, there's a light right here, and there's a light right here. So I had to go through 3 lights.
Yeah.
He didn't.
Yeah.
And it was a little bit foggy, I understand. So when I was crossing, the guy was coming at high velocity. And that's what happened.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And was that, so that one was probably declared your fault or his?
It was declared my fault, but then I fought it, then it was his fault.
Wow.
Yeah, because I wasn't going to pay for that.
Yeah. You have green?
Red light is left turn one.
Okay.
Okay. Green.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ah, like that. So that's what happens. That's what happens.
Right on. Is this you?
Yeah.
Where you you lived?
Yeah, I lived like right around the corner. And then we were going. We were gonna go straight to go to 7-Eleven, and that's what happened. We got really hurt. But this is like, boom, and then this car goes like, doop.
Flipped
there.
over.
Yeah, next to this lady's house that lives right here on the corner, and then our car's just like, ugh.
Damn.
And then we all had to get out, and then my sister was bleeding and stuff.
Yeah.
It was horrible, actually. And then I think I had a concussion, and I didn't even remember some of the stuff until like they really broke it down for me.
Yeah. Damn. Thank you. It's Perfect. What's your name?
Princess,
Thank you, Princess.
you're welcome.